Number 1. Affiliation, meaning a connection or association with an organization. Synonyms: association, alliance, membership. Antonyms: disassociation, separation. Explanation: often refers to political ties or loyalties. Number 2. Amplify, meaning to increase or make more noticeable. Synonyms: enhance, magnify, augment. Antonyms: diminish, reduce. Explanation: refers to publicizing or emphasizing certain views. Number 3. Proactive, meaning taking initiative to act in anticipation of future problems. Synonyms: initiative taking, forward thinking, anticipatory. Antonyms: reactive, passive. Explanation: suggested role for the chairman to address grievances. Number 4. Erode, meaning to gradually destroy or diminish. Synonyms: deteriorate, corrode, undermine. Antonyms: strengthen, enhance. Explanation: refers to the potential weakening of democracy due to political conflicts. Number 5. Bigotry, meaning intolerance toward those who hold different opinions or beliefs. Synonyms: intolerance, prejudice, bias. Antonyms: open mindedness, tolerance, acceptance. Explanation: refers to the judge's controversial remarks reflecting prejudice against minorities. Number 6. Stern, meaning strict or severe in judgment or action. Synonyms: harsh, rigorous, strict. Antonyms: lenient, mild, gentle. Explanation: indicates the need for a strict response to the judge's remarks. Number 7. Slur, meaning an insulting or disparaging remark. Synonyms: insult, defamation, aspersion. Antonyms: compliment, praise, tribute. Explanation: refers to the derogatory remarks made by the judge against a minority community. Number 8. Dichotomy, meaning a division or contrast between two things that are entirely different. Synonyms: division, contrast, polarity. Antonyms: unity, agreement, harmony. Explanation: refers to the judge's biased statements creating an unnecessary division between communities. Number 9. Tolerance, meaning acceptance of differing views, beliefs, or practices. Synonyms: acceptance, forbearance, patience. Antonyms: intolerance, bigotry, prejudice. Explanation: highlights the importance of tolerance for fostering harmony among communities. Number 10. Polarized, meaning divided into two opposing groups or sides. Synonyms: divided, split, contentious. Antonyms: unified, harmonized. Explanation: the remarks may have polarized opinions among the public and judiciary. Number 11. Volatile, meaning likely to change rapidly and unpredictably. Synonyms: unstable, erratic, unpredictable. Antonyms: stable, predictable. Explanation: used for describing the unpredictable nature of food prices. Number 12. Tenacity, meaning the quality of being determined and persistent. Synonyms: perseverance, determination, resilience. Antonyms: weakness, surrender. Explanation: describes Gukesh's persistence during chess matches. Number 13. Emulating, meaning to match or surpass, typically by imitation. Synonyms: imitating, replicating, mirroring. Antonyms: differentiating, diverging. Explanation: Gukesh's achievement compared to Viswanathan Anand. Number 14. Formidable, meaning inspiring fear or respect through being large, powerful, or intense. Synonyms: daunting, impressive, intimidating. Antonyms: weak, unimpressive. Explanation: refers to tough competitors in the chess world. Number 15. Stumbling, meaning struggling to proceed or advance effectively. Synonyms: faltering, hesitating, wavering. Antonyms: advancing, progressing. Explanation, used to describe faltering economic growth. Number 16. Echelons. Meaning, a level or rank in an organization or system. Synonyms, rank, tier, level. Antonyms, disorganization, chaos. Explanation, refers to young Indian chess players rising to high levels. Number 17. Assert, meaning, to state a fact or belief confidently and forcefully. Synonyms, declare, claim, maintain. Antonyms, deny, contradict. Explanation, describes the government's position on inflation. Number 18. Spikes, meaning, sudden increases or surges. Synonyms, surges, peaks. Antonyms, declines, drops. Explanation, refers to sharp rises in prices. Number 19. Imply, meaning, to indicate or suggest without being explicitly stated. Synonyms, suggest, indicate. Antonyms, state, declare. Explanation, the RBI's policy implies inflation will remain high. Number 20. Optimize, meaning, to make the best or most effective use of something. Synonyms, enhance, improve. Antonyms, waste, mismanage. Explanation, strategies to optimize resource usage during inflationary periods. Number 21. Threshold, meaning, the level at which an effect begins to be produced. Synonyms, limit, boundary. Antonyms, none. Explanation, inflation has crossed critical thresholds. Number 22. Unremitting, meaning, never relaxing or stopping, incessant. Synonyms, ceaseless, relentless, constant. Antonyms, intermittent, sporadic. Explanation, refers to continuous or persistent efforts or conditions. Number 23. Wanton, meaning, deliberate and unprovoked. Synonyms, malicious, reckless, unprovoked. Antonyms, justified, restrained. Explanation, describes unnecessary or reckless action. Number 24. Reticence, meaning, the quality of being reserved or restrained. Synonyms, reserve, silence, restraint. Antonyms, openness, expressiveness. Explanation, hesitancy to reveal thoughts or feelings. Number 25. Sophisticated, meaning, complex or refined. Synonyms, advanced, intricate, cultured. Antonyms, simple, crude. Explanation, describes advanced technology or high levels of understanding. Number 26. Conflagration, meaning, an extensive fire that destroys a great deal of land or property. Synonyms, blaze, inferno, conflict. Antonyms, calm, peace. Explanation, can also metaphorically describe intense conflict. Number 27. Averring, meaning, to state or assert to be the case. Synonyms, declare, affirm, assert. Antonyms, deny, contradict. Explanation, refers to a formal declaration. Number 28. Rhetoric, meaning, the art of persuasive speaking or writing. Synonyms, oratory, discourse, bombast. Antonyms, silence, straightforwardness. Explanation, can also imply language designed to mislead. Number 29. Veil, meaning, something that conceals, disguises, or obscures. Synonyms, cover, mask, shroud. Antonyms, exposure, revelation. Explanation, often used metaphorically for secrecy or hidden motives. Number 30. Antagonistic, meaning, showing or feeling active opposition or hostility. Synonyms, hostile, unfriendly, combative. Antonyms, friendly, cooperative. Explanation, describes adversarial relationships or attitudes. Thank you. Appreciate your time. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. If this video added value to your day, see you next time with more exciting content. Your support keeps us motivated.